4, 3, 2. Oh my!
3, 2, 1.
Oh! Here we are back again with another video. Today's game is Team Clams versus the debuting Wisconsin Ghosts. Yes, the Wisconsin Ghosts are making their debut. Finally, it's taken a little bit for them to get enough players to show up. But they're finally making it, and it's against Team Clams. Team Clams is 3rd in the power ranking, and the Ghosts obviously haven't played a game yet. So looking at Team Clams, for today's game, they had both captains, Isaiah and Greenberg, here today with their first overall pick of Jonathan Laboda. And then along with Aaron Brunner, who's been a stud all season long, and Nick Harden, they've continuously had this core consistently show up. Ivan, I think, has played one game so far this season. Otherwise, it's normally just been these guys showing up. And you can't even complain because they've only lost to the 2 best teams in the league. And then, like I said, Ghosts haven't played yet. But Tommy Tilley is on Team Ghost, and he was an MVP candidate last year, and he's looking to show it on a new team. He's with one of his good friends, Emmanuel Guzman, who did play on Suburban Slap, but was then waived and is now on the Ghost. And Caleb Strader is also making his debut. He played a little bit last season, didn't play a lot, played I think a few of the last 3 games. Showed to be a real 3-and-D type player. Their team is just them 3 as of now. They are in talks with Jason Sanani, who hasn't played at all in this league ever, but he's a very good actual basketball player. Goes to Oak Creek. He's a point guard. He's pretty good. They're in talks with him. Maybe they'll sign him, maybe not. But all we can see is how they perform in the first game. So now let's just get on to the game. Oh, yeah. Goozy.
Don't give me the ball.
Goozy over to Tilley. Back to Goozy. Back to Caleb. Oh, wow. That's clean. That's clean. Reaver with the rebound. Runner for 3. That's not it. Greeny fades, he hits. Wow. What a great way to start the game. Pointer. Didn't shoot it. The rebound, Isaiah. Brunner working.
That's off.
Greenberg pulls. He hits the 3. 5-0. A little off.
That's the spot, Nick. This is the entry. Oh my God!
Tommy Tilley with the throwdown. Tommy Tilley with turns it over to Brunner. Over to Goozy. Over to Tommy. Makes the 4, pulls it. Wow. That is. Oh wow. He misses the dunk attempt there. He goes right back to it. 7-2. Pulls. Wow. 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 Just wow. just
wait till.
This is the lay, rebound.
5, 4.
Just back. Caleb for 3.
1.
No good. And that completes quarter 1. Down to Boda. Goes up. Lays it in. Tommy. Fagan steps back for 4.
Wow. Wet like water.
Someone come get their mans. Because he is kind of balling right now. And that was Caleb for 4. Hits! Hits! First bucket of the season. Tommy fakes, pulls. Get their MVP, swear to God. Or maybe it's just Brunner. Maybe Brunner's just letting it. He pulls. Rebound, Goozy!
Yeah, I was like, oh, go.
Goozy pulls.
He's hot now. He's hot now.
God. Got your mouth on you. And I have the clock.
Are we calling a timeout?
Yeah, after that. Yeah, you guys can get timeout.
Are we calling a timeout?
Yeah.
Shooting.
8, 7,
Get up.
6, 5.
Go. Go. Look at Goozy, man. Look at Goozy, man. Down to Boda.
Boda, score.
Alright, 43, 32. Go.
ISO in. Takes a spin. Over to Goozy. Pulls from. Greeny pulls. He hits.
Is that a 3 or 4?
3.
Hey. Do you? You know the stand there, dude. Stop it. Good.
Oh, good. Rebound Caleb. Out to Goozy.
No.
Pulls.
Way, bro.
Get someone come get their mans, bro.
Literally just 20 points from 4.
Woo! Hey ho. Out to Greenberg. Bolts it up. You are in your bag right now.
I'm just
bro.
fucking chucking, man.
Oh my
Nothing
god.
more to say. Bro, Greeny don't miss it, man.
That's what you missed, Greeny.
No, thanks, but I literally
I'm astounded.
Tommy Mann to take over now. Caleb for 4. Or not. Or not. Just let Caleb take over.
63.
Greenberg. He's feeling himself in the 4th.
63-50.
That's it, Tommy. Get it, Tommy.
It's all the pitch, it's all the pitch.
Let Tommy take off.
We got screen coming.
Oh. Greenberg steps back. Misses. Tommy throws it down yet again.
50, 330 on
Goozy loses his dribble. Runner pulls the 3. He hits.
69-55.
Oh, Tommy with the misses the lay, but then gets his rebound.
71-55, 230. 133.
Yes, please jump with him.
Please jump with real.
Runner gets the dunk.
75, 62, 5 seconds left.
Team right here.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We came over.